Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. We are 2 days away from my Tapas table class through Miami-Dade Public Library, free, virtual, open to the public, and I am so excited because we are almost at capacity. So if you haven't signed up, I'm going to give you the link to do that at the end, and I'm going to give you a taste of fantastic Spanish food with Catalan spinach. This dish checks all my boxes. It's green, it's fast, it's bold, it's delicious. And traditionally we use sultanas or white raisins and pine nuts. So this also lets me talk about the tension between authenticity and adaptation. First, we like to soak our raisins, just a couple tablespoons here, in some hot water to plump them up. And as I say, traditionally, you use nice white raisins, and I tried to do that. I have a box of golden raisins, and yet, when I opened them, they were not golden. So, sometimes we have to go with what we have. So while those are bathing and getting nice and plump, I'm gonna heat up the olive oil, and I mean just like a teaspoon for about 5 cups of spinach. This is not one of those heavy, wilty, spinachy things. This keeps the spinach light and bright, and it gets a little fun from the raisins and the nuts. Okay, I am also substituting pistachios for the pine nuts because they cost half as much. I understand food prices are coming down. I have not seen it yet. So I've got just a little bit of olive oil, 1 garlic clove. I like to add a pinch of red pepper flakes because that's how I roll. So I drained what should be my sultanas after a few minutes, and even nice black raisins plump up well. And I'm gonna add them to my little bit of pepper and garlic, turning down the heat, adding my 5 cups of spinach, just very loosely chopped. Maybe took a few stemmy bits off, but that's it. You don't want it wilting down. I'm turning off the heat. I am adding most of my pistachios and just about a teaspoon of sherry vinegar. And you're thinking, well, that's not a lot, but you're seeing the spinach is already cooking down. And as I say, this is supposed to be light and bright, and you will be thrilled, I am, at how much flavor you can get out of so little. Look, we're done. It took maybe a minute. You don't want the spinach overdone. This is not soggy, wilty. I'm gonna transfer it to a plate. Give it a little pinch of sea salt, and we're done. Looky how pretty and easy, and how hard was that? You will see the spinach has continued to shrink, so feel free to use a lot. Anytime I can convince you to eat greens, makes me happy. My class on Thursday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time through Miami-Dade Public Library. We're going to taste all kinds of wonderful things like this. We're going to make them together, and I'm so glad. So till next time, everyone, this is Ellen Canner. Thanks. Bye-bye.